Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how to recreate this 2016 eyebrow. First thing you want to do is brush through them and then pick up your favorite pencil, eyeshadow, or pomade. I am currently using the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I really like this pencil. It's dual-ended. It has an ink stain on one side and a pencil on the other. And the pencil's actually pretty creamy, and this one's actually, don't hate me for this, but it's pretty old. It's definitely past that 2-year mark I think that most products have. You just basically want to fill in your eyebrows from here. It does not have to be perfect. There's no certain way that you have to do it. Just go ahead and fill them in. I recommend you to fill in the sparse areas. If you fill in the parts that are already naturally dark, it might look like too much product and it won't look right. Your next step is to brush through them. That way you can remove the strokes that you made. Here I'm taking a concealer brush and some concealer. This one is the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer, the one that comes in a little tube. The brush is not the greatest. I will say it's the Sephora Collection one. It doesn't have a number. Please excuse mine. It has a bunch of paper on it. I'm not sure what fell on the brush and it made the brush, like the handle, really sticky. I didn't know this, but until after I wiped it with the brush. I'm sorry, with the towel, a paper towel, and it like stuck on there. Yeah, it's horrible. Anyway. So from here, you just kind of start carving them out. My best tip is to place your elbow on a flat surface and go extremely slow. There is no rush. There's really not a place. I mean, I recommend you to start from the front, but some girls start from the middle. Some people start at the tail. Whatever feels most comfortable for you, start there. And this is makeup. Remember, if something comes out wrong, you can take it off and you can start again. Here I am just, my OCD is getting to me. I'm fixing little parts here and there that I felt like I didn't conceal properly. And here I am getting distracted, putting the rest of the very little concealer that I had on that brush on my eye. And I went a little bit in the front too, in the middle, just because I could kind of see the lines that I created from filling it under, and it was bothering me. Like I said, once again, getting distracted. There we go. The other one was already filled. That is not how my eyebrows are. The one on the left is already pre-filled. So here I am going back in with a little bit more concealer. And I am going to be filling in now the top part. If you wanted to do a little bit of a less dramatic eyebrow, I would say skip this part. But because it is a 2016-ish eyebrow, you kind of have to fill in conceal the top part. This is just going to make it look a little bit more dramatic because you really are defining the eyebrow a lot more. I don't do my eyebrows like this every day. As a matter of fact, I don't do my eyebrows every day. And I actually like to use the Urban Decay Brow Blade, but I like to use the ink part. So the opposite side of the brush, I like to use that and just kind of like fill in the, like I said, the sparse areas. And that's usually how I do my eyebrows. But for this look, I did it a little bit more dramatic. Now the top, it was a little bit more difficult for me to do because, like I said, I didn't have a flat surface to put my elbow on. My elbow was in the air. So it is a hell of a lot easier if you put your elbow down and take your time. Really, this eyebrow, you need to take your time. This is the eyebrow I was having such a hard time doing because first of all, the brush is not it. This brush is not meant to carve out. This one's meant to lay down concealer, not carving out. It's too thick, so it doesn't have a flat enough surface for me. I don't have any other brush I could use, so this is why I'm using this one. Your last step is to just clean up that line that you made with the concealer. That way it's a little bit easier for you to apply the foundation and you can't really see that concealer mark. But these are my 2016 eyebrows. Please let me know if there's anything you guys would like for me to create, or if you want to see my less dramatic eyebrow. See you soon.